Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to study the chapter number 2, motion along a straight line. First of all, we are going to discuss the definition of mechanics. What is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of motion. Motion. Mechanics is basically divided into two branches, kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics and dynamics. Kinematics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion without considering its cause. Without considering its cause. Cause mean with force. And the dynamics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion by considering its cause. Its cause means force. For example, the example of the dynamics F is equal to ma, and the example of the kinematics S is equal to VIT plus 1 by 2 AT square. This is the example of dynamics and this is the example of kinematics. Now we are going to discuss displacement and average velocity. Displacement and average velocity. For example, here we have an example. A body which start after 1 second here from here and travel to here means a body start its motion after the time of the 1 second and travel to the time 11 second. Here the distance of the body is 10 meter. It covers in 11 second 110 meter. Now we can see that a body travels this distance in the time 11 second. A change in position is called the displacement. Body changes position from here to here. Change in position is called displacement. Change in position is called displacement. And the change is represented by delta x, x2 minus x1. बॉडी ने क्या किया है, डिस्टेंस कवर किया है 10 मीटर से 110 मीटर तक इन अ टाइम ऑफ 1 सेकेंड टू 11 सेकेंड. अब हमारे पास वेलोसिटी मींस एवरेज वेलोसिटी क्या है जिसे हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वी ए वी. अब जो वी ए वी जो मोशन है बॉडी का वो है अलोंग वन लाइन, अलोंग हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, एंड द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन रिप्रेजेंट अ एक्स एक्सिस. So we write here x. This is written in subscript. For example, here x, the value which written above the x is a superscript and the values which written below the x which is subscript. Here we can write a x in a subscript of the VAV which is equal to change in position divided by change in time. Change in position divided by change in time. चेंज इन पोजीशन, अब हमारे पास क्या है, चेंज इन पोजीशन डेल्टा एक्स और चेंज इन टाइम डेल्टा टी. डेल्टा इज अ ग्रीक लेटर. अगर हम अब एवरेज वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू फाइंड करें वी एवरेज एक्स तो वो हमारे पास आएगी x2 माइनस x1 डिवाइडेड बाय t2 माइनस t1. x2 हमारे पास है 110 माइनस 10 divided by t2 t2 minus t1 आ जाएगा 11 minus 1 which is equal to 100 by 10 which is equal to 10. अब distance displacement चेंज इन पोजिशन की जगह चेंज इन डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी लिख सकते हैं. डिस्प्लेसमेंट का यूनिट हमारे पास होता है मीटर और टाइम का होता है सेकंड. सो द यूनिट ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज मीटर पर सेकंड. हियर इज द डिफरेंट यूनिट ऑफ वेलोसिटी. किलोमीटर पर आवर, mile per hour, they are the different unit of velocity. Okay, now the proper definition of the average velocity is defined as the x component of the average velocity delta x divided by the time interval delta t in which the displacement occur. Now we can see the graph of the average velocity. Graph of average velocity. Graph of average velocity. Now horizontal axis और ये हमारे पास है वर्टिकल एक्सिस. एक्स एक्सिस, ये है वाई एक्सिस, ये हमारे पास है ओरिजिन. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे था x1 और टाइम t1, यहाँ पे x2 और टाइम t2. बॉडी यहाँ पे है और उसने यहाँ तक किया है मूव. यू कर्व, एक कर्व हमारे पास ड्रा हुआ है. अगर मैं इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को आपस में स्ट्रेट मिला दूँ, दिस इज द पॉइंट ए एंड दिस इज द पॉइंट बी. अब बॉडी ने कितने टाइम में कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर किया है पॉइंट ए से बी तक. सो वी कैन से दैट द एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज डिफाइंड as connecting the two is defined as the position of the two corresponding points by connecting the position of two corresponding points, and this is called a slope or gradient. Slope is equal to rise divided by run. x1 is the rise and the time is the run. So the average velocity along a straight line v average x is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1.